Hey guys, what's up? What's good? It's your girl Shakira. Welcome back. Now this tutorial is gonna be a very quick one because this super cute hairstyle was effortless. So if you guys would like to see how I did it, then continue watching. She called my head I started going crazy. Like I can buy you all. Get down with me. You showing me loving. You showing me loving. Okay guys, so the hair that I am using for this tutorial was sent to me by a company called Natural Girl Wigs. They sent me their Kinky blowout U-part wig that I absolutely love. So thank you very much Natural Girl Wigs for sponsoring this video. This is the inside of the wig. It has 5 clips and I really like these clips because they do not tug on my hair. They are very easy to just slide underneath your braids, and then when you're finished with your hairstyle, you just take them back off. I washed this hair before I installed it into my hair, so now I am just going in with my blow dryer to dry the hair, and I'm using it on cool because I really do not want to damage the beautiful texture of this hair. I still want it to have that kinky blowout look, and I'm just taking my time to make sure this hair is completely dry. So to protect my hair from the heat while I was blow drying my hair, I used my heat protectant spray from Foxy Babe. I absolutely love that heat protectant. Now I'm going to be adding some curls to my hair and I want my hair to have a little bit of shine. So I'm going in with a different heat protectant. This one adds a lot of shine and it will act as extra protection from the heat because like I said earlier, I really do not want to change much of the natural texture of this kinky hair. And then I'm just gonna take my curling wand from Foxy Babe to add some curls to my hair, and I'm not trying to make it super curly or anything like that, not really perfect or anything. And I also left out some hair at both sides of the wig because I'm gonna be making some braids in the front of my head, and I wanted to incorporate the hair from the wig into the hair, into my natural hair, you know, to make it look as natural as possible, like so that my hair can blend into the wig as natural as possible. So now that I have already styled the wig and it is looking absolutely beautiful, I am going to prep my natural hair. Now my hair was in some big plaits because that is how I usually have my hair when I have already washed my hair. So I'm just taking down the front to take out my leave out, and I'm really happy I had my hair in some big braids as well because it gave my hair that kinky blowout texture as well. And I made a mistake by not leaving out enough hair, and you guys will see what I'm talking about in the end. So if you're going to recreate this hairstyle, I would advise you guys, if you have thin hair like I do, try to leave out enough hair that it would be able to cover the tracks properly. So when I'm finished taking out my leave out and I'm happy with what I have, which I wasn't because it wasn't enough, I just braided up the rest of my hair and I added a stocking cap to my hair to protect my hair from rubbing against the wig. And like I said, the hair is very easy to install. You just clip it in and you're basically good to go. Now it is time to blend my natural hair into the wig. I'm going to be creating some big braids in the front, and I'm gonna be adding my leave out, my natural hair leave out, with the hair that I left out for the wig, and I'm just gonna braid them all together on both sides of my head. So this U-part wig, it is very soft, and I love how I was able to easily blend it with my natural hair. I mean, the colors are not the same, but it is not noticeable at all. And even though I did not leave enough hair out, my hair was able to blend and it was not even noticeable. I don't even think you guys might have noticed if I did not say anything, but I just wanted to make sure I point that out in case you guys are recreating this hairstyle. You guys would leave enough hair to be able to comfortably cover your tracks. So for the rest of my leave out, I'm just gonna be pinning them away and tucking them away, you know, just trying my best to blend my hair as much as possible into the wig, which was a bit difficult to do because I didn't leave enough hair out, but I made it work. I just took my time and I just placed my like different strands of hair into different places to try and cover the track as much as I can, and I was really happy with the end result. I mean, a little bit of the track was showing, but it wasn't really that noticeable, so I was able to work with it without having to like redo my hair. and that made me happy. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I mean, this hairstyle was super simple, super easy, and super cute. I absolutely love it, and I hope you guys love it as well. So don't forget to comment, subscribe, and share, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.